Alright, we're just gonna jump off here. Ready?
Yeah, it's going. That was awful.
Yeah, I know. It was really hard to like coordinate it though.
You look like you just fell off the ramp.
Really?
I forced us to not sleep last night. I slept for maybe 30 minutes. Woke up right at 4 on the dot with no alarm, and here we are at the Las Vegas airport with 2 hours to spare.
Okay, time for sleep.
How do you feel about that breakfast?
It's American. Nice. So a little bit better.
So we have a long day today. I think our jet lag is pretty good because we went to sleep at 9 p.m. and woke up at 6 a.m. So that's good. It's about 7:30 right now, and then we're not quite sure what we're doing today, but we're here. It's happening, and it's cold. It's like 20 degrees, so yay. Okay, bye. I have never been so cold in my entire life. I did not put enough socks on. I only have one pair on, and they feel like they're gonna fall off. My toes are done for. Help.
I can't talk, I'm too cold.
I feel so pathetic. It's just so windy. That's why it's so cold. It's so windy. We're in the Forbidden City right now, and we just learned a lot. What is this? What's this thing? What building is this? Don't know. Apparently touching those doorknobs, oh my god, my nose is so red. Touching those doorknobs is good luck, and you're supposed to, there's 9 of them, and if you want to have a girl, you're supposed to touch 8, and if you want to have a boy, you're supposed to touch 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's China.
Word up.
Okay, bye. Our tour guide keeps giving us so many history lessons, and no one cares because it's so cold.
I think I got scarf in my mouth.
I have I'm gonna get sick for sure.
This is, well, I don't think I've ever experienced the cold like this before in my life.
It's just so windy. Okay? It's windy. Help. And he wants to climb Mount Everest.
Alright, let's go. Alright, we're just prepping. This is
We're
just
not
practice.
climbing Mount Everest.
Yeah, we're not. I am though.
Yeah, have fun.
Bye.
Wow. Okay, we're at the Summer Palace, and half of this lake is frozen. So cool.
It's still cold.
It's still cold, yes. But not as cold, because it's not as windy. Are they proposing to you?
In the, oh my god, no.
Get it, babe! Ooh! Dog. Yes. Do you say you have to use the restroom? Okay, on that note. So yesterday I froze to death, so I'm trying it a little different today. I'm wearing 2 pairs of socks, a freaking beanie, 2 pairs of mittens. I got this, okay? Okay. So we're at the Olympic Training Center. This is where the Olympics were in 2008. This is where Michael Phelps won was 8 gold medals. So that's cool. That's it. We have 30 minutes to wander around, and there's nothing to do here. So, okay.
What are you looking at?
The jade exhibition.
So everything's made of jade?
Seems that way.
Dragon boat here. Look this dragon boat. And this is jade also. And this is the masterpiece, the dragon boat.
Come on, it's leg day. Let's go, it's leg day in China.
We're on the Great Wall.
Power walking this bitch.
Oh god. I'm gonna die.
Two hours later.
It's freezing, and yet my legs, I can't feel them. It hurts. It's definitely leg day, China style.
Like, these stairs are so steep. Whoever built this wall was an asshole.
They were lazy, they didn't want to make more stairs, so they made them super steep.
How do you carve this? Hello. Hello. The Temple of Heaven. This was built in 1420, and then in 1421 people started to come here to worship, basically to get to heaven, something like that. Sounds right. So the 3 piers means heaven, human beings, and earth, and so most of the Chinese buildings here have the 3 tiers to represent that, which is pretty cool.
I literally am so cold still that I can't talk. I think. My brain is frozen.
I'm not cold today. I think my fluffy socks are helping.
I think they're gonna have to drag me off of this sledge because I'm not moving.
I'm good. So, that's all, folks.
Rickshaw.
Okay, 2 people share 1 rickshaw, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
But I'm going to take care.
Wow.
Best way to beat China traffic in a rickshaw.
Please sit from the beginning, first one. Thank you. Hello. Each table has a nice seat, okay? Just take your seat.
Pattern on the ground, you can see this green with green eye, this longevity, this lotus flower, lotus root, means harmony in the house.
Today we're in the lingering garden in Suzhou.
No, not even close.
What do you mean?
Suzhou.
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 No, Suzhou. You're not even close. If I lived in a place like this, I would just want to have like a like this in my backyard, so that I
Super
can
casual.
come out here and meditate or just relax.
You want to just buy the place?
Yeah, how much is it?
So pretty.
Creeper.
Yeah, now you can see it's dried, impossible to open. When we open, you see 2 pupils inside. These pupils can be eaten, but after deep fried.
Okay, so everyone is on a boat ride on the canal right now, and it's too cold for that. So we found a little restaurant and got beer, and that's it. When in China, right? Hello? Hello? Ni hao. Oh, hi. Wow, that's pretty.
3 hours later.
We just got taken to a lake, and it's the largest freshwater lake in China, and it's freezing. None of us care about this lake, but here we are, and we have 30 minutes to explore it. I'm so happy to be here. You guys are assholes.
Oh, you didn't.
Oh,
wait,
I'm
wait,
zoomed.
Wait, Keelan.
Zoomed.
We just called us assholes.
I know.
Girl, you missed out on the fun in the back.
Oh no, see that's what we were doing, but in the middle of her question I hit her in the nose with a leaf.
Yeah, he hit me in the face. Thank you.
Let's take a look how many pearls inside. Wow, amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, can you see the pearls? No. Look at this. These are all pearls.
Wow,
These are all pearls.
There's
look
a lot.
at these. So look at these. Take a look. They are all pearls. And it comes into different shape,
Oh my god.
different colors, different sizes.
Beautiful.
So you know, for natural freshwater pearls.
We get on the trolley if you want to win.
Wow.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at that. Just look at that. It's the biggest Buddha ever.
I know.
Is this the biggest Buddha in the world, or just one of them?
That's why we
I think it's the biggest.
Wow.
Oh wow, it's in the back.
I'm touching the Buddha's toenail. Wow. Which one's the big one?
Hello?
Anyhow.
Hello?
Ew. Oh, the little boy wants to join you.
Nice. Alright, if I get sick, it's your fault.
Did you kiss it? I didn't actually want you to kiss it. You good, babe?
Good. We're going. We're going. We're going places. We're gonna run all the way back to Beijing.
No, we're not going to Beijing. We are inside of the Brahma, I think, palace.
Temple.
He called it a palace. And this is at the Grand Buddha. Wow. Hello. Wow. Look at the elephant.
But they have little bud. So this bud, they stay here for the whole winter.
Our ladies will add more water for us. The second cup is for drinking. Okay, and now for tea ceremony. Okay, yeah. That means you are welcome.
I'm still waiting for them to say this. Beautiful. You should do it.
She said half a minute.
I like having.
Are you okay there? Yeah, we know.
Okay. We always say green tea can refresh eyes.
We are on a river cruise on the Shanghai River.
I don't think that's right at all. We're in Shanghai though.
And we're on a boat. That's
I think that's what's going on. Oh, that's so sweet.
wow.
Everything actually. This is just straight up New York real.
I caught a running breed. Where's she going? You're not allowed to do that here. Go run in front of like a cool like historic site or something. She's running towards the mainland.